Well, another wet week in Central Florida, but this week we have something different to contend with. Hurricane Irma is moving in.
Locations in South Florida that get those 130-mile-per-hour winds, and those winds near the center are still at 130, obviously interacting with the very small chain of the Keys there. Didn't break it up much at all. So here's the official forecast. This is new as of 11 o'clock, so we're just getting this in. Didn't really change a whole.
Yeah, it looks like our street got a little bit flooded. We didn't sustain too much damage. Some of the carports and roofs sustained minor damage, and this water went away after about 2 days. It was a result of 3 or 4 days of heavy rain and one heavy tropical storm. I lost a tree and quite a few branches on the pine tree, but nothing major. The storm out before it hit us. You can tell the wind is still blowing at 20 to 40 miles an hour occasionally, even a day after the storm has passed by.